lot of these guard passers, we're gonna get this, they're really quick from their feet, right? So if I allow them to, if I just think about the hands here and they control my legs, now they're walking all over us, right? The classic kind of Dorado passing, allowing them, helping them get angles. Even if I'm good with my guard retention when they start to move around, right? And he's still kind of moving around me, leg drags kind of open up. So I'm gonna slow him down just by getting, to the side. I'm gonna get this pant sleeve grip right here. This is a super good grip. So now, even if he's able to like kind of get some space, like I can kind of slow him down a little bit, you know? It's a lot harder for him to move, right, with this leg. If I get a second grip, either at the collar or the sleeve, that gives me a lot of things to kind of anchor, right? So now if I let go of this, he's one step. Yeah, don't even step that far. Just step like half an inch so I can't grab your hand. Yeah, this is all the space that you need. If you come half an inch forward, right? Boom, and I can get it. Now I've slowed him down quite a bit. Okay? Now it helps if I turn my hand up and I twist my grip right here. So this locks my fingers in and it really helps me control this position here. Let's not worry about my other hand for now. Right now I'm just gonna do a basic sweep. So I'm pushing on the hip that I have his pant sleeve, and then my other leg is hooking anywhere on the inside. Right, and I'm just gonna push, I hook, I'm gonna step off this hip, and then I come up and lifting this leg up. I wanna lift this leg up so that he can't hip out. Try and hip out real quick. Yeah. Right. My hand is free, I'm free to move my hips in any direction here, but I'm just gonna pummel my leg in, right, to push on the hip. I'm hooking anywhere here, right? Step, and then lifting, and I'm coming up. You start from, okay. So it starts from, come back a little bit. It starts from me engaging here, right? So I engage, I pull him in. Most of the time he's propping himself up, and then I get this grip here, right? Twisting. Look at the De La Riva, kind of a basic De La Riva position. I can go both feet on the hips. That's about as basic as it gets, right? You can kind of do a modified Benny guard here. Kind of start to come down and grab my collar here with the other hand. Just turn this way. And get my foot in here, right? But probably the most basic position is gonna be this, where I have like a De La Riva type of hook. One foot is pushing. Right, and then we're just going to be fighting in here. What happens a lot is this or this. Right, so he's grabbing my leg, I go to pull it off, right, and then I pummel, and I push. It's so easy. You gotta do it, you gotta work it. Another place where this happens is off of the collar here. Right here, so he's breaking this collar grip, right, kind of hold him in, the legs supporting my grip here. Yep, he comes back to fighting in here. He's trying to control my legs. Maybe he's trying to go to a leg drag type of position, right? I can bring my leg back in, come back up. He goes to break the collar. As he's breaking the collar, I come back up. So his weight, notice his weight is hanging backwards. And the more his weight hangs backwards, right, the easier this becomes. Kind of sit back a little bit. It becomes harder for me to like squat and sit back. Yeah. It becomes harder for me to pull him forward, right? And in the guard, we kind of tend to do that. We get nervous, we don't want to lose them, so we kind of tend to pull them forward a lot. So instead, yeah, he starts to sit back. Instead of pulling him forward, I'm just pushing, tripping, and coming back up. Now, there's other variations that can happen as a result of this, right? I can start to come here. Let's say he doesn't. I can start to go and attack towards the back. Right, there's other variations that start to happen. Let's not worry about that. Just most basic, right? Sickle sweep. If you don't like what he's doing, right? So another variation that happens is now he starts to like really lean forward. So grab this collar. Yeah, he's pulling himself in. I can't get my foot in. He's not letting me get this space to get my foot in. Right, so what are we gonna do? Keep pulling himself in. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull him forward so So he posts, and then I pummel my leg back in. Now what does he want to do? Posture back up. Come back up. So we're in this position here, right? He's not letting me kind of pull yourself in. Yeah, he's like pulling his collar in, right? So now it's really hard for me to get my leg out to push on his hip. There's no space, right? So instead of going this way, I'm gonna pull him forward over my shoulder. What does that do? He starts to open up. Well, what does he want to do? He wants to posture back up. I throw my leg in, and then we sweep. Right, so just kind of different ways to hit that sweep and open your partner up.